Let me check my subscriptions. JJ uploaded a video reacting to Wroetoshaw's new car. Let me check it out, it's gonna be pretty funny.
What's this?
But I got a new car. Alright, so this is the car that I did have. I've just sold it. It was a chrome wrapped. It's been really fun to have, but I decided it's time for an upgrade. So here we go.
Aw, that's cute. Oh well.
Oh shit, it's an Aventador. That's kinda cute. My car key.